Welcome to Fresh Remodel, where your dream floors come to life. With over 28 years of experience serving South Florida, we specialize in creating stunning, durable, and elegant flooring solutions. Our expert team ensures that every project is completed to perfection, offering a seamless blend of beauty and functionality. At Fresh Remodel, we believe that great floors set the foundation for a beautiful home. From sleek modern designs to classic timeless styles, our flooring options cater to every taste and preference. Trust us to deliver floors that not only look amazing, but are built to withstand the test of time. But that's not all we offer. Fresh Remodel is more than just flooring. With a designer architect on board, we ensure every detail is meticulously planned and executed. Our showroom boasts thousands of products, giving you endless possibilities to choose from. We handle every step of the project, from providing materials to professional installation. As a one-stop shop, we offer complete project management under one roof. Enjoy a free design consultation, 100% financing, no payments till 2025, high-end products, and up to $10,000 cashback. Choose Fresh Remodel for your next project and experience the difference. Visit us today.